Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some delicious bacon jalapeno cheeseburger sliders. In case you don't know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 2 pounds of ground beef, 16 ounces of bacon, your choice of rolls, 12 slices of cheddar cheese, triple cheddar cheese blend, 3 jalapenos, half of a white onion, fried onion, your choice of barbecue sauce, and all of our spices that I will link in the description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Okay, so we're going to begin by cooking our bacon. So just cut your bacon into small cubes. We're going to grab our frying pan and set it on medium-high heat. So we're just going to wait for it to heat up. Okay, so once our pan is hot, we're going to throw in our bacon. So just break it down, and we're going to cook our bacon for about 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, we're going to add our sliced jalapenos and onion. And we're just going to season it with a little bit of salt and black pepper. And now we're just going to cook for another 5 minutes or until our bacon is nice and crispy. Okay, so after 5 minutes, we're going to remove our bacon, onions, and jalapenos. And now we're just going to set it to the side, and in the same oil, we're going to cook our meat. So throw in your meat, along with all of our spices. That was the brown sugar. Okay, so now we're just going to break down our meat and begin cooking. Okay, so after 5 minutes, our hamburger meat is ready. So at this point, you want to try it for salt. Okay, so for me it's perfect, so I'm not going to add any more, but if you need to add it, go ahead and add it. So now we're just going to drain all of the oil. Alright, so once we drain the oil, our meat is ready. So now we are ready to put our cheeseburger sliders together. Okay, so before we put our sliders together, we're going to preheat our oven to 325 degrees. Okay, so now we're just going to open our dinner rolls. So just slice them in half. We're going to remove the top. And now we're going to begin to put it together. So we're going to grab our slices of cheese. Put it on the bottom. Okay, so now we're going to add our meat. So grab your hamburger meat, place it on top of the cheese. Okay, so after we place all of our hamburger meat, now we're just going to add another layer of cheese. And the cheese is what's going to put everything together. So just make sure that it's nice and covered. Okay, some more cheese, the shredded cheese. Okay, so now we're going to add our jalapeno and bacon. And of course, make sure that your hands are nice and clean. So now we're just going to add our fried onions. Okay. Now we're just going to drizzle the top with our barbecue sauce. So just add the barbecue sauce. Okay, so now we're going to grab our bread and we're going to cover it and press it down. Okay. And now we're going to add butter to our buns. Just make sure they're nice and buttered. And I'm just going to sprinkle some sesame seeds. Okay, and now we are ready to bake for 8 to 10 minutes or until our cheese is fully melted. All right, so after 10 minutes, our jalapeno bacon cheeseburger sliders are ready. So now we are ready to enjoy. Okay, so now we're going to grab our slider and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now I am so ready, you guys. This is literally everything, you know, you don't have to add anything else. I hope you guys give it a try and enjoy it just as much. I promise you that your whole family is going to enjoy. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, it's super delicious. Everything is just perfection. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make some delicious bacon jalapeno cheeseburger sliders. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.